I'm Shannon Murray. I'm the guidance counselor here at Bethune Middle School in Folkston, Georgia. And I thought the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was amazing. I feel like it truly engaged our students and got them thinking about the things that I try to talk to them about on a daily basis. And I thought Mr. Lewis or Jason did an awesome job at reaching our students and kind of meeting them where they're at. And I thought it was a great, interactive, and energetic way to spread a powerful message. My favorite part of the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was swerving and curving and fake friends. I feel like a lot of the students here deal with that a lot, and they don't know the best way to handle those kinds of situations. And I thought applying that to Darren's story was perfect. I would encourage every school and anybody I spoke with to bring in the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly, especially in our district, in our region. I know these schools, I know for the most part what the student population entails and how great and awesome message it would be.
You will have a beautiful tomorrow.
I don't need you.